Alrighty, Dennis, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Pro-M manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley fuel management. Put the front end on it, make sure the alternate charges. Custom valve covers. It has got a rear sump wall pan on it. Want her to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3,500, 511 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 535, peaks horsepower 522, rate of 520, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Next thing to do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other little things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find a single extract credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number on it, some other specs. Definitely, if you need anything from us, that is the easiest way for us to look you up. So hold on to that, flip it over, the QR code, hover over that, click on it, take you to our site, a bunch of other technical information. So highly recommend watch all this, help you on your installation. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.